Okay. Today, let us start the fourth question from exercise 2. Okay. Read the question carefully. Read this carefully. In an election, candidate A got 2,36,465 votes more than candidate B. If candidate B got 43,45,400 votes, how many votes did candidate A get? Did you get it? In this question, what are given? In an election, there are two candidates, A and B. They competed each other, isn't it? A got 2,36,465 votes more than B, isn't it? So, who got more votes? Candidate A. And this number represents the number of votes got by B. Question is, how many votes did candidate A get? Okay, listen here. There are two candidates A and B. If A gets 2 votes more than B, if A gets 2 votes more than B and B got 5 votes, how many votes did A get? Once again, if A got 2 votes more than B, not 2 votes, 2 votes more than B, but B got 5 votes. So, how many votes did A get? 5 plus 2 equal to 7. 5 plus 2 equal to 7. 5 is the number of votes got by B. 2, A got 2 votes more than B. So, A got how many votes? 5 plus 2 equal to 7. Here also, A got this much votes more than B, isn't it? B got 43,45,400 votes. How many votes did A get? Number of votes got by B plus this 2,36,465. Okay. So, number of votes, first step. What is the first step? Number of votes got by, this is not the number of votes got by A. This number of votes got A more than B. Okay. So, this is not the number of votes got by A. This is the number of votes got by B. Number of votes got by B equal to 43,45,400. Isn't it? Therefore, number of votes got by A equal to 43,45,400 plus 2,36,465 equal to 43,45,400 plus 2,36,465. Add these two numbers. Addition starts from one digit. Here 0 plus 5 equal to 5. 0 plus 6 equal to 6. 4 plus 4 equal to 8. 5 plus 6. 5 plus 6 equal to 11. We write this one, the digit in one's place here. This one in this place. 1. And carry 1 forward this carry 1 to the next higher place. Then add these three numbers. 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 3 8. Then 3 plus 2 equal to 5. Here it is 4. So, number of votes got by A is 45,81,865. Okay. Look here, the next question, fifth one. Read the question. 27,51,650 boys and 18,42,725 girls appeared for an examination. Find the total number of students who appeared for the examination. Did you understand the question? What are given? Look here. If in your class there are 500 boys, 5 boys. If in your class there are 5 boys and 4 girls. If in your class there are 5 boys and 4 girls. What is the total number of students in your class? Total number of students. There are 5 boys and 4 girls. So total number of students is 9. 5 plus 4 equal to 9 students, isn't it? Similar to this one, here for an examination, the number of boys and the number of girls are given who appeared for the examination. The number of boys, in this question, the number of boys and the number of girls who appeared for the examinations are given, isn't it? This much of boys and this much of girls are appeared for an examination. The question is, find the total number of students who appeared for the examination. How we find the total number of students? How we get the total number of students? By adding the number of boys and number of girls, we get the total number of students. What are the steps for this question? The number of boys equal to this much, number of girls equal to this number, then total number of students. These are the steps. First step is number of boys. Number of boys equal to 27,51,650. Then number of next step is number of girls equal to 18,42,725. We have to find the total number of students. Total number of students equal to how we get the total number of students? By adding these two numbers, number of girls and the number of boys. That is 27,51,650 plus 18,42,725 equal to 27,51,650 plus 18,42,725. Add these two. 0 plus 5 is 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. 6 plus 7 is 13. 6 plus 7 equal to 13. Write 3 here and carry this one to the next place. Then add all these 3. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 2, 4. 5 plus 4 is 9. 7 plus 8 equal to 7 plus 8 equal to 15. 7 plus 8 equal to 15. Write 5 here. This is the carry. Forward this carry to the next higher place. Then add these 3 numbers. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. So we get 45,94,375 students. This number of students appeared for the examination. Okay. The 6th question you should do as homework. The next one, the 7th one. Read the question. The difference between two numbers is 24,50,172. Find the bigger number if the smaller number is 15,28,978. Okay. Did you understand the question? I will explain this through a single digit number. Look here. we know that 10 minus 2 equal to 8. Isn't it? 10 minus 2 equal to 8. The question here is the difference between two numbers. Listen carefully. The difference between two numbers is 8. The difference between two numbers. Here are two numbers. The difference between two numbers is 8. The smaller number is 2. If the smaller number is 2, what is the bigger number? This is our question. Okay? The difference between two numbers is 8. If the smaller number is 2, find the bigger number. Here, how we find the bigger number? 8 plus 2, we get 10. Isn't it? We add the difference and the smaller number, we get the bigger number. Okay? In this case also, it is given that the difference between two numbers is 24,50,172. The difference between two numbers. There are two numbers here. The difference between them is this number. Find the bigger number if the smaller number is 15,28,978. Okay? Bigger number minus smaller number is the difference. Okay? Here we have to find bigger number if smaller number is 15,28,978. How we find the bigger number? By adding the difference and the smaller number, we get the bigger number. Therefore, bigger number equal to 24,50,172 plus 15,28,978. Okay? You know addition? You can do this. 24,50,172 plus 15,28,978. 2 plus 8 is 10. 2 plus 8 equal to 10. Write 0 here and forward carry 1 to the next place. Then add 7 plus 7, 14. 14 plus 1, 15. Write 5 1, carry 1 in the next place. Then add 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. 1 here, the carry in the next place. 8 plus 1, 9. 5 plus 2, 7. 5 plus 4, 9. 2 plus 1, 3. So we get 39,79,150. This is the bigger number. Okay, clear? Okay, we can end this class now. Let us see you in the next class. Till then, take care. Okay?